Liris, chika. Ala, totoo pala, kinumpirma ng sikat na aktor na talagang hiwalay na sila ng kanyang leading lady. Sabi niya, we are no longer together. It was a mutual breakup. It was amicable. We are still friends. We still have a love for each other. And I do believe that if we are really meant for each other, then we will find each other again.